Now, different products target different skin issues. You have facial toner that help to hydrate the skin and basically lay the foundation for your facial serum. You have facial serum that helps to repair the skin. You also have facial moisturizer that help to hydrate the skin, and you also have facial oils that also help to hydrate the skin. Most of these products, however, have something in common. They all have vitamins and minerals that is good for the skin, that keep the skin looking fresh, younger, cleaner, clearer, brighter, free from hyperpigmentation. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to show you how you can make an anti-aging, wrinkle fighting facial toner slash facial lotion at home. This is a water-based, making it great for most skin type. It contains antioxidant that will reduce wrinkles on the skin, antioxidant that will help to boost collagen production in the skin. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. An amazing facial toner to use directly on clean skin. So if you're interested in this toner, let's get in the kitchen. I'm sharing the full recipe step by step, and I'm also going to give you some tips on how best to use this on your skin. For this recipe, you will need a blender, preferably a small blender. If you do not have a blender, a whisk will do. Now, our first ingredient is green tea, and today I'm using a tea bag. However, for this recipe, if you have loose leaves, you can go ahead and use a teaspoon of loose leaves. Now, green tea contains antioxidant that will help to hydrate the skin. However, it is very good for wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to get rid of sagging skin, but it's also helped to boost the collagen production in the skin. Now, what I'm going to be doing with the green tea, I'm going to be brewing. To brew the green tea, you're going to need about a quarter cup of hot water. You're going to pour this over the green tea, and you're going to set it aside to brew. Now, we want this not only to brew, but also to be cooled. So do it about an hour before. Next ingredient is vitamin C powder, and you can get vitamin C powder to buy in places like Amazon. Vitamin C will help to brighten the skin. It will help to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin. It will help to boost the collagen production, clear hyperpigmentation, and just leave the skin looking clear, younger, and brighter. Now, if you do not have vitamin C powder, there's a good substitute. You can use some dried orange peel powder, or you can use some lemon zest or lime zest to replace the vitamin C. Now, I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the vitamin C powder. I'm going to add this to my blender. And next, I'm reaching back for my green tea mixture, and I'm using about 2 tablespoons of the green tea water. Pour this in on the vitamin C. And next, I'm reaching for some honey, and we're using the honey for its hydrating properties. However, it contains antibacterial properties, which makes it good for acne-prone skin and for skin with a lot of pimples and blackheads. I'm using about a teaspoon of the honey, and this is raw honey. Let's pour this in the blender and move on to my next ingredient, which is aloe vera gel. For this recipe, you can use your store-bought aloe vera gel, or you can go ahead and use some fresh aloe vera gel. So I'm using a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I'm pouring this in the blender along with the rest of the ingredients. And take a look. Here in the blender, we have vitamin C powder, we have green tea, we have aloe vera gel, and we also have some honey. And what we're going to do next with this, we are going to cover and we are going to blend. If you're using a whisk, this is the time that you're going to go ahead and you are going to whisk. Give it a little shake, guys, because you don't want the honey and the vitamin C to settle at the bottom. So shake it to make sure it gets blended. So once this is done, then place it on your blender and blend. Now, after blending, take a look. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pour mine in a small bottle. You can use any small bottle or jar. Just make sure that they are fully clean. You can sterilize an old bottle or an old,
soda bottle or whatever. Not really a soda bottle, is really too big, but yeah, just use a small bottle and pour this in like I'm pouring mine in. Now once this is done, I'm gonna cover. If you have a spray bottle, that's also good. And I'm gonna give it a little shake. And here it is, your anti-aging wrinkle reducer facial toner, facial lotion. Now this facial toner can be stored in your refrigerator for 7 to 10 days. Use it up within that time, so don't really make a big batch. Now guys, this is going to help to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It's also going to help to boost the collagen production, hydrates the skin. It is good for mature skin. It is good for younger skin. It doesn't matter. If you have sensitive skin, patch test before you apply it on your skin. Now to use this, you really don't need a lot, about 3 to 4 drops in your hands. Rub it up like I'm showing here and just press it on the skin. If you're using a spray bottle, spritz it on the skin and then you go in with your hands and press and press and press and press it on the skin. You're applying this to clean skin, so make sure to wash your face the way you normally do. And once you press it on the skin, don't forget the neck and the décolleté. Then you can go ahead and you can use your serum or your moisturizer on top of this. Guys, this is such an amazing facial toner. When you use it on the skin, your skin is going to feel so soft, so hydrated, and so supple. And if you continue to use this on a regular, before you know it, you're on your way to younger, fresher, amazing, clear skin.
So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up and share the video, guys. Share it on your social media page. And guys, check out my website, khichibeauty.com, for more videos and more information and, more details on these videos. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.